it's Randy and welcome to another vlog. Today is actually the first day back to school from the winter break. We had the 2 weeks off, so now we are getting back into the routine of things. Me and Adriana just finished 2 therapy sessions. She had physical therapy and speech therapy today. Now she's just chilling out, having a snack right now while I was cleaning up all of our therapy situations. Every time we finish therapy, y'all, we have a mess. But I just wanted to show you guys, I showed you guys what I got her for Christmas, but I wanted to show you guys these puppets that we have been using, that we just started using today actually, for speech therapy. They're so cute. So I got these. Mila's teacher actually gifted them, gave them to us. She knows that Adriana, has therapy, speech, occupational, all of that stuff. She's always dropping things off for the girls, but she gave us these. And I asked Adriana's speech therapist, would this be a good visual aid for Adriana learning her farm animals and farm animal sounds? That's like an introduction to learning vowel sounds and consonant sounds and new words and things like that. And she said that this would be great for Adriana for visual aid purposes, especially since we're doing everything virtual. So we used these today, and Adriana actually paid attention to them. Like, she got a kick out of them. I think it's because they're so soft. Adriana really likes soft things, so this was like a sensory item for her, but they have been working great. So we got a pig, a chicken, a cow, sheep, horse, and duck. All the basic animals that they use when they're doing barn animal sounds and things like that. And then I want to show you guys how they're organizing their Christmas toys. But we used her barn today for the first time too, and she also really enjoyed it. It has a few animals in here too, basic animals. But if you guys watched my video for what I got the girls for Christmas, then you will see, in depth of what the barn consists and everything that I got for Christmas for them. So if you have not checked out that video, make sure you do, because then it really shows all the things that I got for Adriana as far as her therapy sessions go and sensory and all of that. So that's that. But she did really good today with the new things that I bought her, for therapy for Christmas. I wanted to show you guys how I have been organizing their toys. If you guys can remember from one of my videos of Vlogmas, when I reorganized their toy box, which I need to go through and organize it again. I'm telling y'all, I have to do this at least once a week, because once they get in here pulling out toys, it's like I didn't even do anything. But their new Christmas toys definitely was not gonna fit in there, y'all. So I got these little storage bins from Target. They were $12 for the black ones and then $10 for the white ones. I wanted black because everything that I mostly have in the living room and dining room is black, so I kind of wanted to keep the decor. But super easy storage. I have all of Adriana's therapy stuff in here, like all of her papers and the new things that I got her for Christmas. Like, this is her speech therapy little box right here. Mila came through here and rearranged, y'all, but this is just a quick way for me to be able to grab things for Adriana when we're doing therapy, and then it's still organized, which you guys know I am all about organization. So all of her things fit in here, which is great because it's right off of the dining room where we do most of her therapy sessions. So I have all of the things that I use for therapy in one place. And this is all of her puzzles and her blocks that we use for therapy as well. Then we have, this is Mila's bin on this side, and then Audri's on this side. I have to get 2 of everything, y'all. 2 toddlers, but got all of Mila's doctor stuff up here. All of her dowel stuff, you know, just so everything can have a place, all of her trucks, and then her dowels up here. If everything has a place, and I show Mila where her toys go, she's really, really good at cleaning up after herself as long as she knows where to put them. So if she doesn't know where to put them, you guys, I will have toys all over the place, which is why I have, you know, the toy box, and then I bought these for designated areas to make it easier for me so she can learn how to clean up after herself. And she's been doing really well ever since I showed her where her toys, her new toys go. She's been placing them in these bins, and I haven't had any issues with that. So keep that in mind, moms with toddlers. But it's almost lunchtime, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna feed Adriana for lunch. When I tell y'all I could not live without my air fryer, like I really could not. It's just so easy. Beat her.
Here's a reminder. Audri speech therapy.
What are you eating?
Here's a reminder. Audri speech therapy.
I just got finished picking up Mila from school. As y'all can see, I always do Mila's hair. Sometimes it's like mine, sometimes we twin. She hasn't had braids in a long time, so I decided to put braids in her hair. I usually always do her hair in twists because it's just easier sometimes, depending on her mood. But since I had braids, I went ahead and put her hair in some braids too. Her hair has gotten really long, you guys. This actually didn't take that long. I want to say like an hour and a half. Her hair is so dang on thick. Say hi, Vita.
Hi, Vita. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Say hi, sisters.
Say hi, sister.
Hi, sisters.
Did you have a good day at school?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you do at school?
I got to return the car.
Okay. What else?
I could too.
Don't wipe your hands on your shirt, little Vita. Do you get dirty? You don't know what it is.
Make that castle. That's all she talking about. We're gonna make that castle. Make the castle.
I open.
You know, open it. Mommy gotta set it up. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them you about to make that castle.
About to do some sensory play. I bought it out for Audrey, but I got enough for Mila. Remember I told y'all I always have to get 2 of everything. So, next sand.
Now I'll walk.
Let's see what we got in here. All these little pieces to scoop and mold.
Move it.
See?
Wow.
Look. Yeah, see? Sand. And it doesn't feel like real sand, y'all, so it's real easy to clean up. See? If it does get on the floor, you can sweep it up. See? I think Audrey gotta get used to it. She like, what the heck? Audrey, like, I'm out of here. Audrey, you wasn't feeling the sand today? I think that's gonna be pretty much it for this vlog. I'm gonna keep playing with Mila in the kinetic sand because I know she's not gonna want to put that up anytime soon. And Adriana, she just has to get used to it first, and then I know that she'll be all in. Today she just wasn't in the mood because since Christmas she's just really been wanting to play with her toys that make music, like her guitar and her piano, and then she'll probably warm up to everything else. But gonna finish playing with Mila, get dinner ready, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.